Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this video, check out some of our other content. And don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps our channel. If you think those Christmas scents you love are only good for cookies and cozy nights under the tree, you're wrong. Those nostalgic aromas aren't just festive. They actually help keep pests away. Today, we're counting down the top 9 holiday scents that protect your backyard and give you a few DIY recipes to boot. Stay till the end because number 9 will blow you away. So grab a cup of cocoa and let's add some Christmas magic to your garden. Number 1, cinnamon. That same scent you sprinkle on cookies is powerful for getting rid of pests like ants, mosquitoes, flies and houseflies, cockroaches, spiders, gnats/midges, cats, dogs, and mice. You can use cinnamon in many ways. Sprinkle powdered cinnamon near entry points, windows, or ant trails. Mix cinnamon oil with water and spray. Cinnamon sticks can also be used to place around fruit bowls, trash bins, or compost. Burn cinnamon candles or simmer sticks in water near doorways. Soak cotton balls in cinnamon oil where mice enter. Number 2, cloves. Don't just put cloves in pumpkin pie. It can do so much more. It repels flies and moths, mosquitoes, ants, cockroaches, mites, spiders, beetles, mice, and rats. To use, number 1, oil. Mix a few drops of clove, essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and apply to skin or spray around outdoor areas. You can also soak cotton balls in clove oil and place outdoors or even in cupboards. Number 2, ground cloves. Sprinkle ground cloves near ant trails or entry points. Refresh weekly. Number 3, sachets. Place sachets of whole cloves in cupboards, under sinks, or corners. Number 3, rosemary. Don't just put rosemary on that prime rib. Use it to get rid of mosquitoes, flies, and beetles. Here's our DIY recipe. 1 cup water, 1 cup white vinegar, 15 drops clove essential oil, or 2 teaspoons ground cloves simmered in water, strained. 10 drops lemon or orange essential oil. Combine ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake and spray around doorways, outdoor dining areas, trash bins, or compost. Number 4, pine or cedar. The smell of fresh cedar repels moths, roaches, and fleas. To use, throw a little cedar or pine in with your fire logs, or in closets and drawers, store these great sachets. Number 5, peppermint. As much as we love the smell and flavor of peppermint, many pests don't. Pests like spiders, ants, mice, and beetles. Number 6, sage. Not only does sage make your stuffing delicious, but it repels both mosquitoes and flies. To use, crush, burn, or heat leaves. The oils will vaporize into the air, creating an invisible, plant-based force field that insects can't stand. Studies have shown that burning sage reduces mosquito landings by 60 to 80% in nearby areas. If you prefer, sage oil spray. Here's our DIY sage repellent. 1 cup water, 10 drops sage essential oil, 5 drops rosemary or eucalyptus oil, 1 teaspoon witch hazel to help mix the oils. Shake and spray around seating areas, on screens, or on patio furniture. Number 7, thyme. Thyme acts as a mosquito repellent and deters cabbage worms. Here's our DIY thyme spray. 1 cup water, 10 drops thyme essential oil, or a handful of crushed thyme leaves. 1 teaspoon witch hazel to help mix the oils. Mix in a spray bottle and mist around outdoor seating, doorways, or porch railings. Works for about an hour. Reapply as needed. Number 8, orange peel and citrus. For mosquitoes, gnats, and ants, place citrus peels in your garden or around your home as needed. Number 9, bay leaves repels weevils, moths, and ants. Great for pantry and garden use. Use whole or crushed bay leaves and place where needed. You can also make sachets and place in drawers and cabinets. Happy holidays! And please remember all mentioned products are listed below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.